So I'm going to walk you through the 8 stages of leaving your 9-to-5 job. Now, when I first started my online business, I went through these stages and these phases as I was trying to leave my job. And I want to walk you through the exact same stages, my mindset, what I was thinking at the time, and how I got through those stages, and exactly how you can quit your 9-to-5 job based on where you're at and where you're starting out. Now, every single one of you are going to be at a different stage, no matter if you're just starting out, if you just started your online business maybe 3 months ago, or if you're 2 years in, everyone is at a different stage. And I want to kind of walk you through the exact same stages where I'm at right now, but also how I got to these stages and how you can use this to quit your job. Now, I think this is going to be one of the most insightful videos I have ever created, because it's going to show you an in-depth look on how I quit my job and exactly my mindset on what I was thinking at the exact same time. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom, and so you can quit your 9-to-5 job. That's the whole purpose of this channel, and that's the main result I want to help you achieve. So if you're interested in achieving financial and time freedom, please subscribe to my channel, because I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's get into it. Now, for those who are brand new to my channel, I just really quickly want to go into how I started my online business. I basically started in May of 2019. I was actually working as an electrical engineer. And at the time, I was sick and tired of my 9-to-5 job. So I was looking to find a way to get out of that 9-to-5 job. So that actually led me to stage number 1. This is called the opportunity phase. This is when you're trying to look for an opportunity and you're trying to find a way out of your 9-to-5 job. A lot of you may be at stage number 1 when you're maybe going to Google, you're going to YouTube, and you're trying to find ways to make money online, right? You're going to Google, typing in how to make money online. How do I leave my 9-to-5 job? What's the best business model to join? Now, this was me in May of 2019 when I was trying to find the right business model to leave my 9-to-5 job. Now, I tried multiple business models because I was researching e-commerce, cryptocurrency, forex trading, Amazon FBA, and I literally tried every single one of these business models. And this was the opportunity phase because I didn't know which opportunity was the right one for me. So I was researching, I was watching YouTube video after YouTube video, trying to figure out what's the right business model for me. Now, you might be overwhelmed, but that's okay, because when you're starting out in this journey, you have to start somewhere. And this is usually where everyone gets started when they're trying to leave their 9-to-5 job, is that stage 1. Now, this leads me to stage number 2, and that's your getting started phase. Now, a lot of people actually get stuck in stage number 1 because they're looking at so many different opportunities, they never actually get started. So stage number 2 is extremely important because you want to find a business model that's right for you and you want to get started. Now, for me, I had tried multiple business models, but the one that really stuck out to me and the one I really wanted to focus on was affiliate marketing. Now, the reason being is because I didn't have to build any products. I didn't have to go and build a team. I didn't have to worry about customer service. Whereas the other opportunities such as e-commerce, Amazon FBA, I had to worry about all those things. And with affiliate marketing, I didn't have to. So that's when I personally started. Stage number 2 was actually getting started. That was May of 2019. And I started on the journey of leaving my 9-to-5 job. Now, real quick, guys, before I move forward and go through all the 8 stages, I want you to comment down below which stage you're at, whether it's stage 1, whether it's stage 2, or it's the other stages that I'm about to reveal. But I want to know exactly where you're at in your journey. That way I can help you get on the path of leaving your 9-to-5 job. You see, guys, everyone's in a different mindset when they're on this journey, right? Whether you're on stage 1, whether on stage 5. And I need you guys to understand everyone's different and everyone has different needs depending on where they're at. Now, with stage number 2, you need to just get started. I promise you, there's so many people that never get past stage 1, which is the opportunity phase, right? They're looking at business model after business model after business model, but they never get started on one thing, and they never ever get on the path of leaving their 9-to-5 job. So it's imperative that you just get started. Even if you're not sure if that's the right thing for you, just get started on something, start building your skills. Now, this leads me to stage number 3, and I call this the tech stage. Now, once you figure out exactly which business model you want to follow, like I said, for me, it was affiliate marketing. Now, this led me to stage number 3, and that was building out the actual systems, right? The websites, the funnels, the email autoresponder, all the tech stuff, right? This is the stuff that actually bogs a lot of people down. This is the thing that gets a lot of people to quit, because the tech stage is kind of difficult, right? Because you're building this system that you've never built before, right? You've never built a website. You've never built a funnel. You've never figured out how to build an email list, right? So this actually sets a lot of people back. But what I want you to understand is all you need to do is get through the tech stage. But guys, you need to understand it's just a new skill. It's a new platform you're trying to figure out. Once you get through that, then that leads you to the next stage. So this actually leads me to stage number 4, and this is the free traffic stage, right? So we already built this system that we know is gonna make money for us, right? We built this funnel, maybe we built our bridge page, maybe we figured out how to put up our website. We actually did all the hard stuff, right? We set up the system. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, you don't know how affiliate marketing works, check out my free course on affiliate marketing. This is gonna be a complete tutorial on how affiliate marketing works and how you can build it from the ground up. So now that you built this system, you built this machine, you know it's gonna make money for you. The only thing now is you need to get customers to this automated system. So now we gotta start building our brand, whether it's a TikTok, whether it's a YouTube channel, whether it's an Instagram, we have to start building our brand. Now, if you made it to stage number 4, I wanna applaud you, because this is, again, the hardest stage to get to, because everyone gets stuck at the tech stage. That being said, stage number 4 is also a hard stage to get over as well. The reason being is because a lot of people are uncomfortable creating content, right? This requires you to get on TikTok, to get on YouTube, to start creating content. Now, creating content doesn't always mean just creating videos. It could also mean creating like a Facebook post. But the problem is a lot of people get stuck in the free traffic stage, right? One of the main things that I hear in this stage as well is imposter syndrome, right? People will create this system, they'll start creating content, but their mindset is, well, I don't have any result. Why are people gonna follow me? Why are people gonna buy from me when I have no results? And this is the mindset during this stage, and I totally understand that. And I was in the same stage as well, right? But you need to understand that people follow you for your journey, right? People followed me when I started my journey in 2019, right? And you need to understand, guys, that people follow people because they want to relate to you, right? And everyone relates to every single person at their own level. So stage number 4 is all about building that brand. It's all about trying to get over that hurdle of imposter syndrome, right? You don't need these amazing results to make money online. You really don't. I mean, results help, no doubt. The results are gonna help you, but that's gonna come, I promise you. You just gotta get over that stage. You gotta get over that fear of being on camera. And I was actually stuck in this stage for a long time because I never wanted to get on camera. I never wanted to create a YouTube video. I never wanted to get on TikTok because I was scared and I never wanted to put myself out there. But I knew that I needed to start building that brand. I knew I wanted to help people. I was just scared to get on camera. But I promise you, once you step out, once you make that first video, it gets easier and easier and easier. I've made over 1,000 YouTube videos since May of 2019, and I've just gotten better, right? I don't make the best videos in the world. I'm not the best speaker, but I've gotten better over time, and that's what it's all about. All right, so stage number 5 is optimizing and testing. Now, this is huge. Now that you made it past stage 4, right? You start creating content. You have this system that's working for you 24/7 on autopilot. Now you see in stage 4, it's just about creating videos. I don't care how bad the videos are. I don't care how bad you are on camera. It's just about putting videos out there. So you start gathering data. And that leads me to stage number 5, when you can now figure out, okay, how can I make my videos better? What can I say here so people can watch my videos longer? And stage number 5 is all about just testing your videos, your content, your funnels, your emails. This is where it gets fun, right? This is when you can start making some serious money because now you have data to test. You have maybe 10, 20, 30 YouTube videos. 30 TikTok videos. Now it's all about stepping back and analyzing that data to see how you can become better. Once you have a ton of videos, a ton of content, you need to start testing that out. You need to figure out what's working, what's not working, because that's where you make the real money. This is when I hit my first 5 figures in affiliate marketing. Now, this is when I personally knew that I was going to quit my 9-to-5 job. I was in stage 5 at the time because I was testing all these things to make sure that I was getting better and better and better. So if you made it to stage 5, huge congratulations. Most of you probably quit your 9-to-5 job, or you're hitting that $10,000 per month, because once you get to this stage, you really know what's working, what's not in your business. Now, I'm not saying you're going to quit your job in this stage, but this is when you're really on the right path to quitting your 9-to-5 job. This is when I was able to quit my job, when I was really able to start testing everything out and start optimizing what was working and what was not. All right, guys, so we're almost done with all the stages. This actually leads me to stage number 6. This is the copywriting and storytelling phase. Now, copywriting and storytelling was the thing that actually got me to the 7-figure mark, because now that I knew what was working in my business, all I had to do now was figure out, how can I speak? How can I tell my story? How can I put the right words on my funnels to get people to take action and buy the products and services that I recommend? So this is a skill that totally changed the game for me, and that's the copywriting and storytelling phase. One of the best books that I ever read on this was Copywriting Secrets by Jim Edwards. Now, this book changed the game for me because it really taught me, how can I tell my story? How can I get people to take action on the things that I'm saying? Now, you need to understand, a funnel is not just a funnel, right? A funnel is there to make money based on the words that are there. A lot of people think they could just clone a funnel and make millions of dollars overnight. It's not the funnel that actually makes you money. It's the actual words in the funnel, right? How can you write the right words to persuade someone to take action, right? To buy your product, to book a call with you, to even watch your YouTube videos and then click on the link down below. That's the skill that got me to 7 figures, was really focusing on copywriting and storytelling. Now, there are 2 more stages that I want to talk about, but real quick, if you could comment down below, which stage are you at? Where are you stuck? Whether you're on stage 1, stage 2, or stage 6, let me know exactly where you're at, because again, I want you to be able to quit your 9-to-5 job, but you need to know exactly where you're at, and I need to know where you're at so I can help you get to that next stage, right? Again, everyone's at a different mindset depending on the stage they're at. All right, so stage number 7 is something that I recently did, and that's building out a team. You see, you don't always want to be working in the business. Eventually, you want to step back and you want to hire people that can do tasks for you. So whether it was helping me build my YouTube channel, doing my SEO, someone running my support, someone running my direct messages. And I think this is really what helped me scale up as an entrepreneur, because you could only go so far as a solopreneur. Now, it's important to understand exactly how your business works yourself, and then eventually when you get to the stage, you can start hiring people to do the things that either you don't want to do or that people are better at than you. You need to focus on the things that you're good at and the things that are going to make you the most money. Now, building a team was something I was really hesitant in doing, and I was actually scared to do it, and I didn't want to give that control. As an entrepreneur, I think a lot of us have this control that they're not going to do things the right way, they're going to mess things up, and I had to let go of that control and start building a team. This was such a game changer for me because I was able to hire people out to help me get rid of the tasks that I didn't want to do, and I could put the time into things that were actually making me more money. Now, this leads me to stage number 8, and this is the stage I'm currently in, and that's pouring gasoline on the fire. Now, what I mean by that is I have this system, I have a team working for me, I have these funnels that are working, I have this traffic machine. Now it's about pouring gasoline on that fire, aka paid ads, right? So I have this system that's working. Now I could put money into ads to help me grow my business even faster. And this is the stage that I'm currently in right now. I'm trying to put money into ads so I can grow my business even more, grow my email list even more, grow my YouTube channel even more, grow my TikTok, because I have this system that's working 24/7 on autopilot. I have team members helping me grow my business. So now there's no reason to not put money into this business because I know that it's working really, really well and I want it to grow even more. So guys, I hope this video was of value. This was my exact journey and the journey I'm currently still on. I'm sure there's stages 9, 10, 11, 12, whatever that is, right? And I'm gonna be taking you on this journey as I continue to level up my game. But you need to understand everyone's at a different level, whether you're on level 1, you're on level 5, or you're past me and you're on level 10 or 12, right? And that's the people you need to follow if you're on this path of leaving your 9-to-5 job. You need to follow someone that's above you and you need to see what they're doing and see how they pave the path for you. Now, if you want to get started on the path of leaving your 9-to-5 job, I have a challenge that's going to help you get started on that path so you can quit your 9-to-5 job and achieve financial and time freedom. I'm going to leave a link to that down below in the YouTube description. But I hope this video was of value, guys. I hope this gives you some insights on how you can leave your 9-to-5 job. And if you have any questions at all, please comment down below. More importantly, let me know which stage you're at and where you're stuck, because I want to know exactly where you're at in your journey. We'll see you guys on the next video. God bless.